right, we got left line on the bottom part of the waterfall. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, get right to this. Line this up. What's up, you guys? Forrest here with the FoCo Flow Show, and today we are in Phoenix, Arizona, and we're getting ready to ride South Mountain and the world famous National Trail. So we had an opportunity while on a trip to sneak in a great bike rental. Shout out to Cactus Rentals and James there. It's an awesome opportunity here to check out a new trail. You've probably seen Jeff Lenosky and other guys ride the Waterfall. I don't know if I'll have that in for me today. Got to keep it safe on a new bike or a different bike riding to Kona. It's super awesome, beautiful. It's just after 6 a.m. riding in the morning in the desert. So we're super excited to be out here. We're gonna have a lot of fun and we're gonna get out there and find that flow.
South Mountain is conveniently located right in the southwest corner of Phoenix and awesomely right across the street from the Arizona Grand Hotel and Resort. You may have heard of it, known as the National Trail. It's the main trail that follows the ridge up and then down the other side. That's 19 miles long. We're going to do about half of that, taking the Mormon Trail up. It's really well signed. We were told to watch out for rattlesnakes. And shout out to James and Cactus Rentals that right on the property there at the Arizona Grand to get me hooked up to get a ride in early in the morning. It's an awesome trail. Watch out for the waterfall technical section. So let's get right into it.
All right. So we're checking out sort of the fire road up here. Super rad. Going up the main trail here, the Maricopa Trail. But James was saying that this is also rattlesnake season. So to be aware, super rad. He also let me loan me this GoPro, so I don't have my wind sock, my wind cover on the GoPro. So you may get some wind noise. That is not indicative of my normal trail ride videos. I normally can kill the wind. So apologies if this video content is windier than normal, but it should be pretty awesome to still get some riding and some footage. I'm on a Kona Process 153, tons of rock tech, so we're gonna take this up to the National Trail, all the way up past the waterfall, and then from there, I'm gonna take it on down. Thank you.
Have a good one, be safe.
I will. So she was a nice lady, also reminding me about rattlesnakes. I love desert riding because it's so different from Virginia and North Carolina riding. The morning is where it's at. I'm expecting this to be rocky and technical, and we're gonna have some fun. So, all right, double track, kind of fire road up for a little while. We'll check in when it gets interesting. All right, quick drop into the morning. Sweet. Yeah. And the drops, and then we go up Mormon at some point here. That's up there. In a canyon. So to go up National, take a quick right, left, and then follow, stay left. This looks like it's called the Mormon Trail on some maps, or MTB project. I'm just gonna keep rolling on up. There we go. We don't go right here. Javelina Canyon. We'll keep rolling. A little short down on the Javelina Trail. And then short but steep ups. What do you need to know about Javelina / Mormon? It is tight, rocky, punchy. Whew, yeah, very solid. Stuff like this, alt lines for days. I'll take the middle. We gotta punch up over rocks. That was a short one.
Stay far right.
Okay.
There's a little bonus sign, still kind of new, a little hidden.
Ooh, okay, you about to do that?
Yeah.
Let me follow you.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm still kind of slow through it.
Oh, that's fine. All right, found a local. Left on the Mormon Trail. Told me there's a bonus sign. Sorry for the wind. Ooh, go watch that. Oh, chunky spot. Whew, nice. Yeah, chunks. Okay, yeah. There we go. Good little bonus line. Okay, sorry for the wind.
So once you take that short but fun Mormon downhill connector trail, you hang it right onto the National Trail. Like if we said that the National Trail is that main vein that is going to climb all the way up to the top of the elevation, you could keep going to the other side of the trail, but that would be a long shuttle day. We're going to turn it around, and you can see the video footage here. The climb up is not all rock tech, but man, it is a lot of rock tech. You get some miles back in some flatter sections, but you really work hard. It's fun. Just take your time, pick apart the lines, session a few things if you've got time to do so as you work your way up. And then once we get to that upper elevation, you get a ton of fun and awesome lines all the way back down. So it's a great area to take your time, take in the scenery, but be on your game, be on your toes, and have your slow speed tech skills ready. Lots of ratcheting and track standing, and then you gain the miles on the way up when you're done piecing together some of those sections that you see me struggling with here.
Hey, we're sort of up off of one of the little side peaks on the National Trail. After this, you sort of go downhill. So James was saying when nobody really rides that past this point, so we're gonna come down, hang a left on National, and we're gonna pick our line down most of the way back down. Waterfall looks scary. Upper part I can get. Whew. The bottom's got some pucker and a very doable line. Ooh, that wind, sorry. There we go, hang a left on the National. There's definitely, rider, thank you. Appreciate it. Very busy, little drop. Nice. Yeah, this is fun. There we go. All tight. Whew. There we go. There we go. Front end on the Kona is a little soft. Definitely could be tuned out if it was my bike. So yeah, we'll see the waterfall here in a minute. Upper half, I'm good. Whew, that bottom line. Ooh, here we go. All right. Chunk. Nice. So chunky. Oh yeah, a little drop. Would have been better if I actually dropped that. Here we go. Here's a little. Whew, nice. All right, what we got? Is this? The start of it, I think. All right, here we go. Start of the waterfall. Phew. There we go. Woo. Oh, it's there. I'll give it one more run up. All right, we got left line on the bottom part of the waterfall. Here we go. Here we go. Up, right to this. Line this up and get scared. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Sick. Yeah. There we go. Woo. Got it. Pumping up. Ooh, yeah, got it. All right, I think I know what I'm doing here. You could just go around. Yeah, cool. Ooh. We'll take it. Clean it up the next time I'm down here. Cool line though. I'm sure there's bonus lines here everywhere. Right here. Ooh, watch those jaggedy ones. Yeah. Can't tell if that was line through that or not. Oh, we got that little slab right here. Ooh. Oh, that dropper post needs to be longer. That was up in my gut. I didn't feel good. But this is fun. Yeah, still going. Woo! Yeah. My Virginia mountains really well. I'd rather follow you. Who knows this? Got a lot more loam and a lot more roots than you guys. We both have the same amount of rocks. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Nice. Great line. Yes. What's your name, man? Bob on Forest. Heck yeah. Howdy, howdy, huh? Bottom bracket. I got you. Nice. Oh, good. Nice. Howdy, how? Show off! That is pure fun. Let's go. Howdy, y'all. Let's go. My man. That was so fun. All right, you guys, that does it for the National Trail South Mountain here in Phoenix. Incredible. Got to the waterfall, got back down it, pieced it together and cleaned it, not in one run, but we got it done and then ran into Tom and bombed back down National. What a trail. Love this area. I'm sure I just scratched the surface. Shout out to Cactus Reynolds to get me out here while I'm here with only a few minutes to ride. Good gracious. Solid 2 hours of riding 10 miles. So if you ride in this region, comment below. Let me know what else is out here so we can all get out there and find that flow.
Bye.